Hello students, welcome to online class. Today we will do some remaining questions of exercise 6.3. So let's start from question number 9. Statement is a triangle ABC and a triangle AMP are two right angle triangles where right angle is at B and M. Figure is given in this question. Here we have point A and B and C. In this figure, there are two right angles at B and at M. We have to show two parts in this question. First part is to show similar triangle ABC and triangle AMP. To show two triangles similar, we have total 4 similarity criterion, and most of the time we will use angle this criteria of similarity. So here find out which one of two angles are equal in both of the triangle. So first of all, write the name of the triangle which we have to show similar. First triangle is A, B and C, and second one is A, P, M. In both of the triangle, one angle is equal to 90 degree. So that's why we can say that angle M, angle B and angle M are equal because each is equal to 90 degree. Second is, first angle is ABC and second one is APM. In both of the triangle, angle A is common. So we can say that angle A is equal because this is common in both of the triangle. So we can say that by angle similarity criteria, these triangles are similar. So this is our first part. Second part is we have to show their sides are proportional, and we know if two triangles are similar, then their all the sides are in same ratio, they are proportional. So we can say that this is the perpendicular of triangle APM and this one is the perpendicular of triangle ABC. So perpendicular of first triangle BC and PM, and hypotenuse is opposite to right angle. So this is the hypotenuse of first triangle AC and this is the hypotenuse of second triangle, that is AP, and remaining side is base. This is base of first triangle AB and this is the base of second triangle AM. So all of the sides are in same ratio. So this is our part number second. Next question is, again in this question, figure is given. E is a point outside to a triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, E is a point which is outside to this triangle, and also ABC is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, and we know if a triangle is isosceles, then its two sides are equal and two opposite angles are also equal. So if in ABC, AB side is equal to AC side, then its opposite angle, that means opposite angle of AB is C and opposite angle of AC is B, then these two angles are equal. And in addition, in this question, AD is a side which is making angle 90 degree with base, and E to F, again here we have 90 degree angle. In this question we have to show triangle ABD and triangle ECF. We have to show these two triangles are similar. Again in this question we will use the criteria of angle and angle, because इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर भी साइड्स के बारे में कुछ नहीं बताया गया है. अगर साइड्स के बारे में कुछ ना बोला गया हो तो हम एंगल वाले क्राइटेरिया को फॉलो करेंगे. सो चेक इट आउट इन बोथ ऑफ द ट्रायंगल विच वन ऑफ टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल. फर्स्ट इज ट्रायंगल ABD. This one is our triangle ABD and this one is ECF. This is our second triangle. As you can see in both of the triangle, one angle is equal to 90 degree. So we can write here angle D is equal to angle F. Write the reason also in the bracket. Each is equal to 90 degree. Second one is, as we have already showed, that angle C is equal to angle B. This one angle is equal to this one. So angle B lies in our first triangle and angle C lies in our second triangle. So we can say that angle B is equal to angle C, and write the here reason from first. In first equation we have already showed it. So we can say that by angle similarity criteria, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. So this is our question. Next question is, side AB and BC and a median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides of a second triangle. So students, in this question we will not follow the formula, the criteria of angle and angle, because in this question sides का proportional given है. That's why we will use maybe side criteria or side angle side, because इस question के अंदर sides के बारे में बोला गया. Next triangle is PQR and a median is given also AD and PM, and we know median is a side which cut base into two equal parts. That means D is a midpoint of BC and M is a midpoint of QR. So in this question, first of all, we will use the given condition. हमें क्वेश्चन में given है that AB and PQ, BC and QR, AD and PM, these three sides are proportionally equal. इन तीनों साइड्स का जो proportional है वो हमें क्वेश्चन में equal given है. तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR and AD divided by PM. This is our given condition. Now we will use condition of a median which divide the base into two equal parts. That means if we multiply this term by 1 by 2, that means just do the half of this side. Half of this side is equal to BD or DC. we will use here BD. So we can write here AB divided by PQ, half of BC. Half of BC is equal to BD and half of QR is equal to QM. We can write here DC or MR also. Procedure will be same. So this is our second condition. Now check it out. How can we use this condition from the figure? If we find out this condition in the figure, AB by PQ, that means this one side, BD by QM, that means this one side, and AD by PM, that means this one side. So we can say that by side similarity criteria, small triangle ABD is similar to small triangle PQM, because in these two small triangle, ratio of all the three sides is equal. So we can say that by side similarity criteria, these two small triangle is similar. If two triangles are similar, then its all of the angles will be equal. We will use just here angle B and here angle Q, because this is the single angle which is common in the small triangle as well as in the large triangle. So we can say that angle B is equal to angle Q. Now sum up all the conditions. In the question it is given that AB divided by PQ, BC divided by QR. Just use these two sides. Now find out these three conditions in the figure. This is the ratio of two sides and one angle, which is included angle in these two sides. So we can say that by side angle side, because यहाँ पर हमने दो साइड्स का प्रोपोर्शनल दिखाया है, इन दो साइड्स का, और ये है इंक्लूडेड एंगल. सो वी कैन से दैट बाय साइड included angle, then again side, and proportional of these two side is equal and this angle is equal. So we can say that by this rule, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Hence proved. Okay.